What's going on, crypto entrepreneurs? Quote of the week: if you can dream it, do it. Walt Disney. And if you ever been to Disney World or Disneyland, you know he wasn't playing. Anyway, it's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, back with another Avarice video. So with Avarice, I'm seeing if I can have a 3 or 4 8-day stake in rotation. I can essentially be withdrawing and putting in another stake every few days. And eventually I want to have it where I'm withdrawing and restaking every single day. But, you know, that's a work in progress. Also notice that you have to pay attention to the days that you're staking on. For example, when I put in 3.5 BNB right here, it says I collected it, and over here it's on day 10. But when you go over to the staking part, you'll see that it's my actual stake started on day 12. So just keep that in mind, that it's not going to line up exactly how you want it to line up. But you know, it is working as intended. I initially said it was gonna, I was gonna stagger the days that I was gonna stake, but I realized in this platform that the longer you wait, the more money you lose. So for example, if I stake 2 to 3 BNB worth, I should do it as soon as possible rather than waiting, because each day I wait, I'm missing out on BNB dividends. So it's better to stake as soon as possible so that your dividends will start to collect. I believe it's 48 hours from your stake. So once you stake, it's 48 hours from that time until the dividends start to collect and compound. The quicker I can get my BNB dividends, the quicker I can withdraw and, make another stake. So I really like this platform, and the mechanics are solid. I'm hoping it stays around for a long time and makes us all plenty of money. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Peace.